The GE GXWH70M Water Filtration System offers whole home protection by filtering water at the main entry point, ensuring your family and plumbing are safeguarded. With embedded Wi-Fi functionality, this filtration system allows you to monitor water usage and detect potential leaks from your smartphone, providing peace of mind and convenience. The smart connectivity feature enables you to remotely shut off your water supply, which can be crucial in preventing water damage during unexpected events. Installation of the GE GXWH70M is straightforward and quick, thanks to its push-to-connect fittings and rotating pivot head, making it accessible for most users. This system provides customizable filtration levels with options for basic, advanced, or premium filters, allowing you to tailor the filtration to your specific needs. The GE GXWH70M is compatible with 3/4-inch quick connect fittings and requires no flames or soldering, simplifying the setup process for users.